Unlock a new era of efficiency and creativity with Ask AI, your intelligent assistant for navigating the modern world. Let's dive straight into how Ask AI can revolutionize your daily tasks. First, imagine you have a complex question that requires synthesizing information from multiple sources. Simply type your query into the prompt box. Ask AI analyzes your question, drawing on its vast knowledge base. Within moments, you'll receive a clear, concise, and comprehensive answer, often much faster than traditional research methods. But Ask AI isn't just for answering questions. Need to spark your creativity? Try generating different forms of content. Whether you need a blog post, a poem, an email draft, or even creative story ideas, Ask AI can help you overcome writer's block and produce compelling content. For researchers and students, Ask AI is an invaluable tool for streamlining your workflow. It can help you summarize lengthy articles, identify key themes in your research, or even brainstorm research paper topics. Ask AI will then provide a condensed version, highlighting the most critical points, saving you hours of reading time. Productivity is key, and Ask AI is designed to boost yours. Think task management, idea generation for projects, or even drafting professional communications. By delegating these tasks, you free up your valuable time to focus on higher-level strategic thinking and execution. In essence, Ask AI provides readily accessible information and empowers you to learn, create, and achieve more, making complex tasks simple and enhancing your overall knowledge base.